Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, while a high-performance luxury car, also had notable economic aspects related to its production and market impact. Here are some of the most relevant economic details. 1. Price at launch. When introduced in 1954, the 300 SL was priced at approximately $6,820 in the US, around $75,000 to $80,000 in today's money, adjusted for inflation. This made it one of the most expensive cars of its time, targeting affluent buyers. 2. Limited production. A total of 1,100 Gullwing coupe models, 1954 to 1957, and 158 Roadsters, 1957 to 1963, were produced. The exclusivity of the 300 SL helped maintain its high value and desirability even in the classic car market. 3. Export focus. Over 80% of the 300 SL production was exported to the United States. This focus on the American market was a strategic economic decision, as the US had a booming economy and a growing appetite for luxury and performance car in the post-war era. 4. Classic car value. Today, the 300 SL is considered one of the most valuable classic cars. Prices at auctions frequently exceed $1 million, with pristine examples fetching significantly more. This appreciation reflects its combination of rarity, engineering innovation, and iconic status. The 300 SL's mix of advanced technology, luxury, and exclusivity ensured its economic success and enduring legacy as a highly sought-after collectible. This Welly Diecast model has some great details. The Gullwing doors open to reveal a stunning interior, and the metallic finish is incredibly appealing. Have fun with this video and enjoy!